recording. Okay, now recording is started now. So whoever new from other country, welcome with us. Okay, na welcome with us. Okay, na. So I think Dinesh Sang Pathai. This person is there, right? He only kept the message in Telegram. Don't worry. Listen the session, right? Listen the session carefully. नहीं सभापति Rigodi or something is there. That fellow is there or not in the meeting? Okay. So, hmm. Okay, yesterday, whatever things, just now I given what one, we developed what one application, right? One application using servlet, right? Servlet. Today I will give this application importance in the, at the time of what front controller, when we will develop first application using Spring MVC, right? Using Spring MVC, at that time I will give the clue why I completed the first question, means first application using what servlet, because whenever we are using Spring MVC, right, internally servlet only our Spring is using, right? So okay, so let's move on. Okay, let's move on, and we will deep dive today Spring MVC concept, right? Today our fully concept is what Spring MVC only, right? Spring MVC
वो
MVC.
मुझे लगता है तुम्हारा मुझे
Totally Spring MVC only, right? Okay. So okay, so now let's understand, right? mm, Spring MVC is what architecture, not what design pattern. If anybody is asked, Spring MVC is architecture or Spring MVC is a what design pattern? No, Spring MVC is the architecture means what? It's using what different technology also, right? It's using whenever we are developing the project, yeah, Manjulata, good afternoon. Whenever we are using what, whenever we are using the in the real time project, right, project having different, we are using what different technology, like just think about that key. MVC just we are not using for what, view layer, for the view layer purpose, what we are using HTML we are using, right? HTML means that is a different technology. And what for the data processing purpose in backend, for the backend coding, what we are using our Java technology, right? After then what, some another different technology means architecture. Because of that I'm saying that what MVC, Spring MVC is what architecture, right? Architecture. But the interviewer will confuse you, no? A design pattern means reoccurring, whenever we are developing the application, in the application reoccurring problem we are resolving, right? Resolving boilerplate code we are means what we are resolving. So because of that, that is the design pattern, right? Programming level, if we are resolving the problem, that is the what design pattern. But Spring framework, Spring MVC is what architecture, not a design pattern. But in Spring framework we are using what front controller, right? Front controller FC, just I'm giving the front controller name FC, front controller. But the front controller is design pattern, the front controller is what design pattern. So now okay, so let's understand MVC, right? What is the MVC flow total, we will understand, right? So for where we will use our role, Spring role is where in the application. So in the real time, right? In the real time, what is there? Like think about that, whenever the end user making the request, right? End user making the request using what? Browser browser, right? Browser is nothing but what? Client, right? So whenever he making the request, who is accepting that request? Who is accepting that request? Some servlet. Think about that. Yesterday just we completed, right? So whenever end user is making the request, who is trapping that? the servlet component is there, right? Servlet component is processing the data. Okay, in middle server is there, container is there, leave it now leave it. Just think about that key whenever we are making the request from here, right? Whenever we are making the request from here to here, in this time what will happen now? What will happen now? Our servlet is taking the request, and our servlet is the processing the request, and servlet only what? Servlet only the giving the response. Okay now, so same like here. What is that? So multiple module is there to achieve modularity in the project, right? So if we develop all logic, we can develop in the single class only all logics, right? We can develop single all logic, but at the time of maintenance, think about that, tomorrow our end user need what? Tomorrow our end user need what to be modify something. So if one changes, if one line change will be there, total project code will be changed, right? We have need to change what? Total code of the project, so then it will work. So because of that, what is that? And we know that our Spring framework is what? Modular framework, right? Modular framework. So same like so Spring. So just think about that, this is the what? Service layer, and this is the DAO layer, right? Just I'm giving what? DAO layer. So this is what? DAO, data access layer. This is what? Business logic, where we are writing means service layer, right? Service layer. But who's taking the but here what is that? But these things is service layer and a DAO layer using what? These things is don't have the capability to take the request and process the request, right? So to process the request, so for that some person need, right? Some person need who can take, who can whenever our client make the request, right? Whenever our client the make the request, at the time what? Someone is need, right? Who can take the request, and based on the request, that person can what? That person can what? That person can based on the request, that person can process our data, right? Process our request, and based on that logic, it will return back to what? That logic to whom? Our client, right? Our client. So our client is nothing but what? Browser only, right? So for that, what is that? So for that, what which person need? Person need, right? Controller, right? Some person need, right? That person is need what? Controller. So means based on that, this person will make the request. If need in our controller class, right? So then that controller will interact to service class, and in the service class again, where business logics will execute, right? Where business logics will execute again in the service class, if need, right? In the service class again, if need to interact with the database, right? If our business logic need to interact with a database, so then it will delegate, means it will process the request to whom? Database layer, right? Again, after then database processing completing now, then data will send to again service class, right? Again service class, then service class, what service class will do now? Service class again, the service class process the data again, it will return back to whom? Other, again controller, right? Again controller will take that data and the logics, and then what controller will do now? After processing that, right? After processing that, then response will get, we will get what? Response, right? We will get what? Response. Now okay, fine. So here what is that? Request. Here end user is making the request, here user is making the request, and here we are getting the response only, right? So in the real time, right? Like this project will be there, like this project will be there thing. So the DAO layer is separate, service layer is separate, and the controller is separate, right? So if we develop like this application, that is only nothing but that this application is nothing but what? MVC application. We can say this application is what? Total combination, permutation and combination using different layer, right? So we will design one project. That project is called what? MVC project, right? MVC project. So for that, okay, so now, so to if we develop this application using servlet, so what we have need to write more logic. If we servlet, right, if we develop this application using what? Servlet, so we have need to write what? More logics. So, and even if our client need, no, just our client in a scrum meeting, think about that ki our task, right, our task, our manager means our TL is giving us, okay na, how much time you will take. Just I will take to develop this API in near about 2 hours. They will analyze the time, and based on that time, right, if you not able to complete your API, then again our what TL will ask or not, how much still you time, why you are taking the time, okay na, give the reason, right, we have need to give the reason, oh we are stucking somewhere and all those things, okay na. So because of that, so for that, to analyze these things, some boilerplate code and all those things, right. So then Spring people introduce what? Spring MVC, right? Spring MVC, Spring MVC. Just this is the our normal, just normal. Whenever we are developing a layered application, okay, na, layered application, that is the with the different what layer, with the different layer, right? Every logic will be separate, right? Every logic will be separate. If in the future, if our end user want a database, our database layer to connect with whom, Oracle database, then that is the fine. Again, if end user mindset change in the future, right, then end user want what, to interact our DAO layer, right, the DAO layer to interact with what? MySQL. So at that time, what end user will do now? Just end user will write the just give the its implementation classes, right, its implementation classes, and there is no need to modify in the services code, service class code, right. So if we keeping these things in mind, our mind, right, and we will develop this application, that kind of application is called what? Spring, no, sorry, MVC application, right. So now, okay, based on that, but here let's understand now that that's it, Spring Servlet MVC. Based on the Spring Servlet MVC, I given the clue, okay now. So now, but here we are collaborated to understand what? Here we are collaborated to understand what? Spring MVC, right? So please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. But here, it is what? This service class and the DAO layer class is what? Standalone application. But here, controller is what? Servlet application. Means J2EE application or not? Okay, so one things we clear that, right? So by using Spring MVC, we can develop only which kind of application? Web application, right? So using what? Spring MVC or servlet, we can develop what? Web application. So web application we have need to automate for using what? Web server. For that we have need what? Web server or not? So yesterday we configure what? Web server just we are using in the practice purpose, we are using what? Servlet, sorry, Tomcat server, right? So Tomcat server, in that Tomcat server we will automate our application, right? So for that, okay, so using what? J2EE application or servlet, using servlet technology, we can develop what? We can develop which kind of application? Web application, right? So okay, so fine, so let's understand. So using Spring MVC, which kind of application we will develop? Web application. So let's understand what? Flow of what? Spring MVC with the diagrammatically format, right? With the diagrammatically format. Okay, so now, okay. So MVC means what? Means MVC means what? M means what? Model, right? M means what? Model. What is the model data? Model data till now, right? In the terminology of till, service to DAO layer, whatever data service layer and DAO layer will process, right? And by using that data, if we are processing that data inside what? Controller. Inside that controller, that is nothing but what? Model data, right? That is called what? Model data. But here view, Who's representing the data? Who's representing the data? Our controller class is representing or not? Which is developed using what servlet? So here what it will become, what it will become, this controller class will become what? View layer, right? View layer, MVC, right? So model, view, and controller, right? So who is the controlling? But same like, right? This is the representing, but using, just think about that. Just think about that. Who is the viewing the data, right? Controller only, right? Controller only using GSP. Think about that. Using GSP only, right? JSP, using JSP. So here, who is the delegating the request? Sorry for that. Little bit this diagram is wrong. Okay, na? Okay, so now who is delegating that? This one, this person, right? Controller is selecting the GSP page, and on that the GSP page, what happening now? What happening now? The data is rendering. After rendering that, it's sending to what? Client, right? It's sending to client, means nothing but here who is become, means this person will become what? View. And who is the monitoring? Who is the monitoring the request, right? Who is the monitoring? Whenever client is making the request, right? Whenever this client is making the request, and after processing that, after processing what is the need and what is the need, and what kind of request is coming, who is the processing this operation? Who is the processing this operation? These things is processing our controller class. Which one is developed on what? Servlet, right? Which one is developed on servlet? So MVC, right? C. So this is what, this thing, this servlet is will become what? All things is controlling means this one, this person is become what? Controller, right? So means till service to DAO, whatever operation we are performing, that is called what? Model. Means our data is called what? Model. And who is the trapping, means who is the monitoring all those things? Who is the monitoring all those things? Like, just think about that key in whenever we are entering the office, right? Whenever we are entering the office, software office, think about that. Entry, who is taking the entry? Security person, right? Security person is taking or not? And after then, whenever we are returning back after, think about that, 6 o'clock we are leaving the office, right? At that time, again where we are informing that security person, right? So security person, after then, if and that security person is what? Monitoring all campus using CC camera and all those things or not? So think about that security person is what? Controller. Think about that as a project way, right? So that security person is becoming what? That security person is becoming what? Controller person or not? But that security, what kind of things is monitoring now? The company environment, and inside that company somewhere anything wrong is going on. If wrong is going on, that person will monitor those things. Okay, na? And all those things is nothing but our data only, right? So our data only. So who is monitoring those data? Our controller, means security person only, right? So after then, if anything based on that all process, after ending that security person is giving some in the security person, that security person is giving to information someone, right? So means that person is all whole day data is collecting, whole day data is collected. After collection of that, after in the evening time, that data is giving someone, right? That data is giving someone. That data is nothing but what? That data is nothing but what? View, right? That data is nothing but view. Think about that like this only, right? So same like, but here we are talking about that request and a response, and what is that HTML pages, right? So just think about that. This is what Google page is, right? Whatever things we are seeing, that these things is nothing but view. But whenever after then something we are writing, and whenever we are making the request, it's going to what? It's going to server, and a server is processing that data, right? So but this request is trapping someone, right? Trapping someone. Who is trapping? Controller person, right? So controller person, and after then, if need, then based on that person is processing the data, and that person is showing the data in the beautician. Think about the beautify pages format, right? So this is nothing but what? This is nothing but what? Is Spring, sorry, MVC. Okay, na? So monitoring, but if we using the, just I said that using servlet, if we develop, right, we have need to write multiple more code, right, more code. And if our end user need, if end user need tomorrow release the project, tomorrow only release the project, I'm giving to only one day to time, right? So it's impossible using what, it's impossible using what, servlet, right, to release tomorrow only the project. Just I'm giving the one estimated time, right, in the single day and a 2 day any project will not complete, right? It's taking an year time. So if we start one project to work on that, it will take near about a year time, right, to understand all those things. FRD document, based on the FRD document we are implementing and all those things. So many people are there, not only one, but here we are learner, right? Here we are learner and we are learning the things. So okay, so now let's understand, right, let's understand the flow of what, let's understand the flow of what is Spring MVC, right? So just think about that, right? So is Spring MVC, right? So in Spring, so don't use, I think you are watching in mobile, right? Don't use these things, okay, na, on screen. It's not good. So
Sorry.
don't use these things, okay, na? It's a disturbance.
Okay, okay.
These things is disturbance for us only. Okay, don't worry about that, okay, na? So now let's
Okay, sorry.
uh, and see that, right, see that because whatever application I will develop using Spring MVC, based on this what this flow only, this Spring MVC flow only. And if you people sit in interview, if you people sit in interview, right, without this flow, right, interview will not complete, interview will not complete, right? Because Spring MVC means the flow only, right? Based on this flow only, based on this flow only, what will happen now? Based on this flow only, what will happen, we will write the logic, right? Because already this flow already given by whom? Spring people, right? Spring people. So think about that, right? So what is that? Let's see that. So this is the what, this Spring people is given one what, servlet, ready-made servlet, the ready-made servlet, right? That ready-made servlet name is what? Dispatcher servlet. Dispatcher servlet, right? This servlet, this is the what already used. We don't have need to develop this dispatcher servlet, right? Already Spring framework people is given. This is nothing but what, this is nothing but what, front controller, FC. Just I'm giving what, front controller. This is the nothing but what, front controller. Means whenever this is, think about that ki what, this is what, our browser, right? This is our browser, means client, our client. Whenever client will make the request, right, client, right, whenever client will make the request, this request will come to whom, this request will come to whom? Our front controller servlet, right? Our front controller servlet only, right? Our front controller servlet. Okay, fine. So now okay, so again what will happen, this request, if 1 minute, okay na? So this is the controller only, right? This is the controller, but this controller is given by whom? Means Spring people, right? This front controller is given by whom? Spring person, right? After then what is that? Okay na, first if we want to work on Spring MVC, we have need to what, we have need to configure in web.xml this front controller, right? So after then what will happen? So based on that, right, based on that, this front controller, right, but this is the already predefined controller, but where we will write the logic, our logic we have need to write it, right? We have need to write our own logic. So where we will write this logic? So for that we are specifying URL and URI or not. So those things, for that purpose, what is that, this front controller will call one person, right? That person name is what? Handler mapper. Handler mapper, right? This handler mapper is storing the data in the key and the value format, right? This handler mapper is storing the data in the key. Friend, after 10 minutes this meeting will stop up. Okay, na, don't go, come back, right? Until unless first application, if I complete now, right? So then you people can leave, no problem. But until unless if I'm not starting an application, right? Don't leave, okay? So now this handler mapper. So who will call this handler mapper? Front controller, right? Front controller will call this handler mapper. Who will call? Front controller, right? In the front controller, the data will store in the which format? Key and value format, right? I will tell each and everything, don't worry. Value, right? Value format. After then what will happen next? What will happen now? So then then what is that? We will develop, right? We will develop our own, what? Our own developer will develop our own logic, where in our own controller, right? Our own controller. For that, so that is called what? That is what? Our own controller, that is the Java. So for that, based on the URI and URL, this handler mapper specifies first one, right? Then this person will call what? Then this person call what? Our own controllers, right? Our own controller. Here we wrote what? Here we wrote our own controller, right? Our own controller. This our own controller is what? This our own controller, right? Like where we will write the what? Business means logics to represent which data, means which page, which if need, then this controller will interact to whom? This controller will interact to service layer, DAO layer, right? So now, okay, so this is what? Our own controller. This is what? Controller, right? Controller, our own controller. After then, inside that what is that? This controller will call one more person, right? This controller means our own controller only, right? Call one more person, right? The person name is what? Model and view. That person name is what? Model and view. Means model data, right? Model means what? Model means what? If in our application, right? If in our application, in if in our application, we our application want to interact with service class, right? Service class, those data will put inside that what? Model. That is model area, right? Model area, right? Mm, model area, right? But what is that? And second one is what? Here only we decide that we will decide it, what? View person, right? View, which view? VE, oh sorry, view person, right? Means the page inside this object only, right? Inside this object only we will decide that which page we have need to what? Which page we have need to represent on what? Present on what? Client, right? Client. So this object is nothing but what? This object is nothing but what? Model and view. Model and what? View. Model and a view. This person name is what? Model and a view. After then what is that? Again, right? After placing these things, okay, now after placing these things, suddenly what will happen now? What will happen now? Then front controller, this request will come to whom? Front controller person, right? Front controller person. Okay, so now after then, by seeing that, what is that? Model data and view, logical name. View name is what? Logical name, right? By seeing these things, okay, na, by seeing these things, what will happen next? What is that? This front controller will delegate, means call one more person, right? One more person. That person name is what? That person name is what? View resolver, right? That person name is what? View resolver, right? So okay, fine. So okay, fine. Now okay, so inside that view resolver, right? Inside that view resolver, right? I will tell, don't worry about that, okay, na? I will tell each and everything, okay? So now, okay, fine. View resolver, right? So view resolver object, right? Here this is the view resolver. view resolver, right? View resolver, inside that it will specify, right? This means who will call this object, who will call dispatcher servlet, right? Dispatcher servlet is nothing but what? Front controller, right? Dispatcher servlet will call. Don't worry, when we will do the practical, at the time I will tell where the how our servlet is calling this method, means this object, how the things is happening, all those things. But this flow is in mandatory, this flow is mandatory. Without this flow we can't able to work on that, right? Please remember every time. If the person remember this flow, then the Spring MVC is too much easy. Then Spring MVC is what? Too much easy, too much easy, okay na? So here we will decide it what? Here we will decide it what? Means inside that view resolver two method is there. What is that? What is that? Prefix and a suffix. I will tell what is the prefix and a suffix, right? Prefix prefix means location of the page, which page you want to what? View, which page you want to view, right? Means location, right? Location. And after then what is that? One more method is there. What? Suffix, right? Suffix. Here inside that, what is that? What is that? Extension name, right? Extension means what is that? Somewhere we will write what? HTML GSP page or not, some folder. So inside that prefix we will give the location of that page, right? Inside that prefix we will give the location, means path. We will give where that page is there, where we have need to render the data, right? That location. And extension means what? Like dot html is there, right? Dot html, like what is that? Like that. See, so dot html is there, right? Dot jsp is there, right? So dot jsp, this is nothing but what? Extension. This is nothing but what? Extension. And where means like just we are writing that what? Just input I'm taking, right? Input jsp I'm taking. So we have need to give controller where this page is there, right? Where this page is there. So we will give the location or not, means think about that normal life here. So if you have need to go somewhere, right? If you have need to go somewhere, so first we have need to address of that place, right? So without address we can't reach, right? So same like our controller also saying that I have need, okay, I will use this input page, right? But give me the location. So that location we are giving in the prefix only, right? And after then what is that? Extension name. Okay, so means you develop this application using HTML or HTML or JSP, right? So that extension also you have to give. Then after ending that, what I will do now? I will reach on that what? I will reach on that, right? I will reach on that location, and I will render the data whatever controller is exposing, and I will show that, right? I will process that data, right? So for that, think about that. After then using this prefix and a suffix, what it will, our controller will select one JSP page. I will develop using what? JSP only, right? So JSP page. So what will happen? Think about that. It's just JSP page. This is what? JSP page only. Okay. So this is what? JSP page. Okay. So inside that, what will happen now? By using using view name, right? View name, whatever model data, right? Whatever model data we will send, right? We will send that, right? Then in this GSP we will use it, right? We will use it. So after then what will happen? Internally what is that? This model data, right? This model data. 1 minute. This model data, right? Based on that, this what is that? View resolver, right? View resolver will select that GSP page inside that location, right? Our view resolver will select this GSP page, right? So after selecting this GSP page, what will happen now? What will happen now? Okay, so this model data using request scope, right? Using request scope. This is nothing but what? Request.